So hello everyone, and today I'm going to talk about how I mastered Python for data analytics and how you can too. So I'm Tripathi Aditya Prakash, as you guys already know, a full-time data analyst, and I'll be sharing my journey, the learning path that I took, which just completely transformed my analytical journey. Previously, since I had a background of BCA, I already knew how to do programming. So I always had that centric mind how to do analysis in that way. So with the Python knowledge in my mind, it really helped me because I didn't need to just be limited by the visualization software that I was using. I can actually, do things that I feel like are not limited to a software. So I'll give you practical advice on how you can start your Python journey. Even if you're really new to it, because I also learned it from the scratch in my college, and you guys will also, if you aren't familiar. And if you're already familiar, you can implement these techniques and you can know better. So I'll start with my Python journey now. So first is getting started. So when I first started, I knew that the Python was essential for data analytics, but I wasn't sure how to begin with it. So what I decided to do on is to focus on fundamental skills that are there, such as syntax and then variables and data types that are there. And data camp was provided by our college in university, so I was going through their courses, was really good, and it helped me gain confidence quickly that I was able to make programs and all those things. So quickly I was able to do that. So you can also focus on R also. There R is there, but it's mostly resource or resource in sense of research oriented. But you can also learn it. It's better to learn it. But Python is really easy. So I'll recommend that you go through Python route first, and then I learned about key libraries that are there for data analytics. So after the basics, I learned them, then I moved to it. So essentially the libraries that I focused on was Pandas and NumPy. So these libraries made it super easy to manipulate, analyze, and visualize the data that is there. And for data visualization part, I use Matplotlib and Seaborn, which are these things are the core of data analytics. So you have to do it. So for example, if you'll take Pandas, with the instant you can help clean up data effectively, and NumPy just speedy calculation it can do with the array. So because it stores in numerical format, so it's really easy to process and faster also, so you can use it. And then coming on to projects and practice. So real learning happens when I took on the projects actually. So I was thinking I can do the projects that I just have to guided projects like that. But then I focused, no, I'm not learning enough, I'm just following certain steps that are there. What I actually need to focus on is actually build projects, and while building projects, learning it. Meaning, if I go through a error, I'll learn it through that thing. I won't be limited on learning that way. Because with a project, you can do certain kind of things that you won't even guide it project. So I also joined a lot of communities for this skill. I use Kaggle platform like crazy. I literally used all their notebooks and I really made all of them. And then I went into joined Stackflow communities where I learned with them. And I could get feedback from professionals and get feedback for the code as well as the analytics that are there. They'll be telling me, okay, use this visualization to get these results like that. And then comes Python's particular role in my data analytics work. First is automation. So one of the best ways Python help is automation. You can write scripts that will do automatic data cleaning, which saves hours of work each day and each week. Just day by day, it will stack it up. And then data visualization and reporting. So Python libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, as I told you, have been a game changer for my data visualization because I can customize in any way. I'm not limited by template given by data visualization tools. And they're more effective and not so, technical terms driven. So you can use it, I personally use. And then comes advanced analytics. So for this, I use Scikit-Learn. So it has machine learning, which enables me to build predictive models that adds a new dimension to analytical work because it isn't just limited in analyzing the past data. It can just give a kind of forecast on what the future data will be. so that I can analyze the trends and, make data-backed decisions and forecast. So then comes tips for beginners who are starting out. This previous tips anyone can implement, but these are now beginner specific one for like if you're trying to learn Python in a way that it help your data analytics. So first start with a clear goal. So you'll have to understand why you want to learn Python, whether it's for data analytics, automation, or machine learning. Have a clear goal in your mind, okay? That will keep you motivated. And if the data analytics is your core focus on these libraries such as Pandas, Matplotlib, and NumPy, so that your focus will be in that direction and you won't just get distracted by, there's endless possibility with Python, you will get distracted, but stick to that goal. And if you feel other things can also help you, just go to that way. And then focus on essential workway, like libraries that are there, workway in sense of libraries, like already Pandas you're using for data manipulation, and NumPy you're using for numerical calculation. So once you're confident in it, then only move to a new library, like not just you're learning one thing from one library and then jumping on to another. I know this contradicts with my project thing, but that is a separate exercise that you do. In that you learn all the things. In this, if your core focus is to learn, this is when this specific focus I'm talking about. And then I told you to focus with real projects. The same point, I'll repeat it here also. Build a GitHub repo and make every project public. Don't do it in hiding. You'll have to document all the journeys, do it in public. And then I'll be talking about some of the resources that are there for Python that you can follow. So I recommend DataCamp because I learned it from there and it really helped me. And then Coursera's Python for data science course is also there. That is also a very good one. And then a book is there, Automate Boring Stuff with Python, which is free and you can just, it's very practical for beginners. You can just use it right away. And also I have my own course. So if you want to stay updated in data analytics as it gets updated each week, so you can just join there. You can connect with me on social. I'll let you know how to join towards it. But it's a very core focused course, like very exclusive people get into it. You have to show intent, then only you get that course. So yeah. And then talking about, since a lot of you guys has been asking about my data analytics resources. So I have a data analytics resource pack that is on a sale right now for $4.99. So you just guys can contact me on social. I'll provide you a link where you can just do the payment and get access to it. It has more than 500 cheat sheets, PDF guides and guided projects, even with codes and how to implement it. So you guys can contact me. You can also book a call on Calendly or TopMate. We can connect towards it. And plus, when you're seeking a personalized guidance, like a mentor kind of thing, again, 20 plus people have enrolled in it because these are poor people who actually want to learn stuff. They only got access to it because I first need to know whether you are actually that much resilient to learn, then only you get access to it. So again, this also goes for a sale of $199 right now. You will get me as a mentor and I'll be guiding you each way how to do things. And just if you want to have a talk with me, we can hop on a discovery call also at TopMate and Calendly, as I've told you guys. And you can contact me on my social with the link that is in the description. So with that being said, this video comes to an end and it was really good talking to you guys. And Shiva is going great and my personal account Tripathi Aditya P with the name is also going good on YouTube and social medias. So just connect with me and I can't wait to see more of you guys.